looks like we got a firm. Switch this to this. We can join. Blank. We got a firm on August 29th, 2024. Firm. Not in a rotation too much, but when these things set up, let's go to the 1 minute. Let's go to 32. Same thing. Seller step in, reject. Let me see what happened this day though. Why did this break out? Was it earnings? I think it was earnings. Let me see. Yeah, it was an earnings play. So you go to the 1 minute. Seller step in, take profit, get in at the high. See. Boom. Get in here, risk to reward. Made it to the first target. First target, and that's it. So entry 39.38 over $1 move. 39.38. What day of the week is this? Thursday. 30-40%. See a firm 11/22/2024. 11/22/2024. 11/22/2024. That's a Friday. Check the daily. Nothing. It's nothing. Let me go to the daily. 1 year. 4 year. Let me go to 4 year. Shit crazy. Shit crazy. We got a double top right here though. Let me deal with this double top right here. We also have a level at 68.33 that I like. So again, reject, double bottom, entry. Made one little single move from 67.63 to 68.37. Let's see what happens. Nothing. nothing.